ever dreamed of landing in a new country and navigating airports and hotels like a pro? No confusion, no stress, just smooth travel. In this lesson, I'll teach you the essential English phrases that will help you confidently check in at airports, pass through customs, and settle into your hotel with ease. Let's get you travel ready. Let's start with landing and customs. After you land, you'll probably head to the immigration. Here are two phrases you might use. Good morning, here's my passport. If they ask, what's the purpose of your visit? You can reply, I'm here on vacation for 2 weeks. Or, I'm here on business for 2 weeks. If they ask, where will you be staying? You can reply, I'll be staying at the Blue Ocean Hotel. If you have something to declare, say, I have items to declare. If you're not carrying restricted goods, you can say, I have nothing to declare. And after landing, if you're unsure where to pick up your luggage, say, excuse me, where is the baggage claim? Or if you get lost, ask, excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the taxi area? Now let's look at check-in and security. At the check-in counter, you can say, could I have a window seat, please? Is an aisle seat available? Could you confirm if my flight is on time? When going through security, listen for instructions like, please place your bag on the conveyor belt, or remove your laptop and liquids. If you hear an announcement about a gate change, you can ask, could you confirm if my gate has changed? Has the boarding time been updated? During your flight, you can say to a flight attendant, may I have a blanket, please? Or, could I get some water, please? If you want to recline your seat, you could politely ask the person behind you, do you mind if I recline my seat? Would it be okay if I lean back a little? Would you mind if I adjusted the air vents? Could I turn this down a little? For connecting flights, you can ask, can you tell me where gate B12 is? Or, could you tell me the gate number for my connecting flight to Paris? Is my connecting flight on time? Now, let's look at hotel arrivals and essentials. When you arrive at the hotel, you can say, hello, I have a reservation under the name Smith. Then ask for details. Could I see the room before checking in, please? What time is breakfast served? Can I have the Wi-Fi password, please? If you need something extra, you can say, could I get some extra towels, please? Or, is it possible to change my room? If something isn't working in your room, say, the air conditioning is not working, or there's a leak in the bathroom. If you need any recommendations, you could ask, could you recommend a good restaurant nearby? Or, what attractions do you suggest visiting? Before leaving, if you need more time, say, is it possible to have a late checkout? Could you help me arrange transportation to the airport? Now you're ready to travel with confidence. Try using at least one of these phrases on your next trip. If this lesson helped you, give it a like, share it with a friend who loves to travel, and subscribe for more English tips to make your journeys smooth and stress-free. Safe travels!